Dr. Usefri Akoto, Anope Machiao, baby, I will be on Alan Kojo Chairman, Dr. Baomia, Nimian for Kennedy, Japan, John Dramani Mahama, his former president, Kojo Busu, Dr. Dufo, Ira Dainimo, and Ira Jogate, Ira Boache Jako. These are all potential presidents for a year, Madagana. That's so we now Bako. A step further after flag bearership and after I do the real show. But names are maboyina no. Unyame betima you be bia the mam na be the party and in party NDC party MPP. Na fi show na nkasa baso. But in the NDC, it's very obvious. Say John Dramani Mahama, former president, and Ebeye Frankatufo. Very, very obvious. The New Patriotic Party Nipekua ana nipa obedi won anim kan akoshia John Dramani Mahama and others. So we have Kwabena Japan, we have Adainimo, we have Boache Jako, we have Joe Gate, and we have Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan, we have Alan Kojo Chemantin, we have Dr. Mahmoud Baomia, we have Dr. Kunodo Apreku, we have Dr. Efriye Akoto, the former Agric minister, and so you're part of it. Now, interesting, Inaba, your GTP for Alan Kojo Chemantin, your PhD for Kennedy Akomprekwe, Japan, your TLC for Dr. Usefri Akoto, and it is a BMW for Dr. Mahmoud Baomia. So I know the other ones normally. Mamenka also say Onyame Adom on the 28th of February, Yenkoja Yenya Yebra Yehofa Santa Yenya Kwabnedu, don't know for the Santa Baron. Yenkoja Nebra, ne mame, any in your penny, ne mame, any in your penny, so SSC Kujano, ne mame in your penny, a radiator from ne mame or bar paying Florence Abana Chumwa Edu, 98 years, Anna ne bar paying Professor Danny Kofi Edu, 72 years. Yeton Safro say better busuanchi na wono endi na wotwe day e wo Sejimase Presby Primary Park Memenda January ne de toso aduonu ngotwe 2023 anopa no ngotwe era Santa Baron do na for Kwabena Edu good morning afishapa ana yakoso ebre ti say yenim say enya adwuma ketwa ba onyame ebemo afa emu pepepe AKJ atnase okọ bono mantema NDC amanyuku no ene watre omo hyiemu wo hoyi pa sa na wabedom nkran so a oba na okọ ono so eboama nkran NDC ni nyina NDC ba ko no on time atintimi yi na won tima chechero mu nsem yi a kire Ghana for because their belief is that they are government in waiting, not a potential, a government in waiting. That is the belief of the NDC. So BBI dear dance said they have to take the Jubilee House seat by 2024, 2025. Sorry, that's their belief. Pelgrave Boache Dankwa, as what I say now. So reshuffle neighbor is one of the potentials. Apart from Semeka Chose Brian Champion Eco a Greek, na KTM on Acco Trade, na Sticker, Stephen Amoa Acco Edubo in position, na Asamoah Boateng Acco Chieftaincy, a potential minister and a deputy and so that so we na be and then our own sort here. I did no Ghana and Nemus in San Krata at the Maya Inti. Resha for the Bano, if there are surprises, okay, and a John Boadu so echo what was not pursued. So the Tiana said the president is not doing any major reshuffle. A nipa free mono, and Odibi show my name, and nipa sama bano, Charles Dubois, and ordinary baby, a master carbe show, and a chieftain himself, Papa no do no kakra, and the Ushimpa. Just replacement and yet really reshuffling the system as a wabontia. Lot of the ministers are unable to work. Mr. President, what the be near Shishi bin Sabato Ghana for no ministers need to so. Now even to come out to work, I had to do now more problem, no more challenge. Help us release it. So releasing so let us move on as a country because ministers in Ubia here no say bibia and koko yes of very good about fisher paso. I
think I'm between your face and yet in cream.
Amen.
Good.
Eric.
Oh my.
Bibia boko.
Nyame Adom na so.
Oh Nyame Adom bibia.
I
think come between. I think over fisher say na most of the rules were menu in our region no. Yeah, timia clear. Me how dey me come and say. Sir. Me how dey say dey half there. Yeah, copa.
Ka same to Kenya as no more we on.
Oh, Alex Bomu edwi hono. I think na new diversions all year.
So ka so mu dwi enye no because.
Say one dwi a oba ni wagu. Ye be dwi ba ko Covid dwi me one. Wagu awie ye ko yanim.
The 2 years dwi kwan ba ko. Ayi so kilometers.
Sometimes so was a distribution of wealth no. Na kakra.
Na oye so kasa ma ban ya bebre tobo pagri baba. Ai.
There is one by members who because anywhere be a better say MPP now say Timeka there be kakra.
As I say honestly speaking ejuma den Ghana pa ne say okasama MPP aban.
Okasama aban.
MPP aban.
E dey na dey dey.
Na den na hoka. Is it Ghana obi ani abi o.
Kaneno na akoso amana ye din se ade amamu no modimbo no akwanim modimbo no agina ho modimbo no sinto abemana
amai ma menchia odra hafide ma menchia na naja ya wo ntotroso na menchia oni alezebwam na ninu apani ninu aketo ba kon ozu nkroma babio oka otiza alezebwam onu amienu bi nya ase twanti
ohini
ken
ohini no Jedu ana
Jedu nyame ya adoma 21st year na amudi na otwe no nti ewo Jedu nti mema na naja ase yakọ alezebwam na owura nti nyame ya adom na edu na ahoden o ha ebekọ ne akota omochi eya papa ba ko mamienu bronya finch ada no mu accident but ye mo nyina ahede amai na obobo afa ni PhD ne hwan PhD ne kiresen
patriotism, honesty, discipline.
Why not can discipline as them?
The mean for Kennedy a compare ko Japan.
I know a new version of discipline and I say old discipline word na yin na yesu ano.
Oh, say discipline.
But is he discipline?
E dey na mo akasa.
O ti kroma, oni abaifo anya beef, oni asofo anya beef, oni obi oni na anya beef, ono kwa na right, and no discipline. We are said there's sanity.
Sanity be a reality.
Nti ye nkwada na ye ba na yesua lesson e free the omo ye no because I know him so ambition and certain things one only discipline infinity no dey na PH no
patriotism
o dey only comfort
obi started you can quote so no so
George Dino no shooting the buying or reflecting
no dada
no na memo the person reflecting no so it will be incumbent on him to start
honesty
yekum ameswali
allow him
me ba yekum ameswali I think 2 or 3 days ago na yedina finish na ba ko honest man na odi abrante any pictures ko 2 TV so nya na bono okan na otwe ama yekum semtroni onam so ye honest e kroma so de nsem hapa o
samu
na nsem ni a na mo so nyema obodi din kwa wo fidi so
what is the connection?
It is painful.
No, what's the connection?
The connection. So you want to tell me say o kwabna sante why nsem twere djuma de akofata chima afamu aba bedu kumase bedu nkran na obra wa bo se osomo man na Ghana nsem bi a wo kanti no chena erikeje manye tumi na makotena yes makotena one of our sister stations say we ne kwabna sante osori ogu aban ne ho fi no wo hia no krumu abono e kaba mitua na ebo ye wo formula
sa kasa no
me say o ma sa otwa to ni ti so na edi ahianse ebo ni tu aku no
so ujitum say hwebu koso
MPP party na me de minimba bi free bad e ho no deserve so na nka he na okọ
na se mo de na enyima mo
na me say obi a wo no wutimi de nsantro ni to afidie so ene wo ye discipline wo ye honest wo ye patriotic 3 words no ni nyina fata ne de.
I say no we get delegate.
No, I am not a delegate. I am a Ghanaian.
Onyanye flag bearer.
Obijidie no. It do subject to the
make am no. Saa na edi owura otiso iba. Na mo penyi mo ye pentimamento na Ghana for toy. Yes, pentimamento ba. Meba. And someone ye can fa no we no ba ye no MPP for nkwa na so fa na me ka ho bi. And you think I should sit aloof? Ni e meye me sa scam ni bi. Huh? And the pentimamento aban ye tisu ni. Haircut ne ba ye no. NDC for nka ho. MPP for nka. And you think we don't have interest in whatever they do? We have interest. We are citizens. And I want to know filling station now to petrol no pen. It different from baby am to be ameba.
Musa because Musa between 300, 250, 300 because me kubisa M1.
We do it me to 300.
To 300 me to 250. Coming.
And the taxi drivers. Obi si na auto fuel pen or park or so okodun so. On person who time on be boy. Because a chain broken heart. Who see where see we to call. Why? So this afa ne Alan de
GTP afa
GTP Antoma ana
Debi he's talking about a transformation
na no nka we no ho
nka we na say na Joma Makata me
Debi yan no na meka
na we dey
no one dey ba na no be ka tire
ya ka Joma say ya ka tabu sa say ma no ne ka and na of ko dey be di cry ya ka flag bearer
that is all man dey ba
what to see MPP flag bearer
o dey me ba o man dey ba o man Ora,
my parents kasana dey o ye
there. Now you discredit flag bearers in India.
Me ba mi wie ma bo one.
What susu dey o ye susu kuruwa no. Ebedu ono susu dey o.
O man.
It is no problem with
yes sir.
Ala ne kase all transforming system no problem.
GTP. Any am heard the printers na. I don't never you know. Oh wala nchremanten. Ye do betra. A trade ministry. GDA president Akufo-Addo any wo muntino. What one district one factory office. Okuro ifri wase.
Was any special?
Why special? The papa ben is special aban we. What is special about them? What is special about them? Your records are ebinsi Ghana Daniel diaba.
Ebini ambulance.
Debt restructuring.
Ebini
50 years in Africa obi anye bida. Inflation baby e dan ne. Ghana nuru hoda. Depreciation baby record we now diaba wona aban mu. So wala na obeka kire na no say aban we NATO squad negum no wonye part of NATO
o man no wan ka say party
oh na hwan mu na edi o man
o man na ya
hwan mu na edi o man no say na o man candy for no hwan wo ye wo kwabena sante
ya kasa do ebi na we
mampani gina Dubai o say Arab ho a o ka kire mampani ka say onye careful uni masem ba kon kan o say Africa nyina Ghana na o business akono nti omomra
also who
then be honest mampani should be honest Africa nyina let me tell you something Africa nyina wona
the two Ghana for
me intro me ntena
there be no throw no di but what is your what is the challenge let's what is the challenge in doing business
the facts that I am a Ghanaian
no me say and obi born the system of Ghana the problem pa dey
me nka say ba ko ka say Africa nyina ha na business ya kono a intro
na nkonko
Africa nyina wona wa say osika sem okay no na nyesika na ye business what are you telling me o ma nyesika na ye business o ma be na nisika sem ye poto chen Ghana wa Africa today the whole Africa 50 years and any debt restructuring Africa country be na ye bi hwe inflation at the 54 point something Africa country be na da the city depreciation in dollar no hwe de ekoso wo mamu just last week na me hwe mo sister station Joy TV unim contractors nipa mo yi omodi amandi nko yi nipa 1500 ruler yi nipa be 300 something and you think Adom hwe ana mampani why ye biye why tena fie na ye adwuma ena okọ Museveni country Uganda unim say parliament ban the president say mani ntukwan bi because tukwan amfaso ni so ya ban no otia o han wie mu hyen wo se wo nipa tena ben wa wo nye okay nipa ba ko na otim kutu ene hwe ba bi odi adu and you are telling us that doing business in Ghana is better hey contractors na some na wo kan so krom kwan yeah ma obey 2 months so mo who people or IMF all contractors will come home until lay off no must start na se kire no no kosunya ne sanu hydro for na no mo ye New Domakwa. Where are they?
New Domakwa.
Where are they? In Futuro na modi eja petemu wofo. And this is the government of the day. Kwamina Sante, ene ma nye o. Ene ma nye. Na say ne edija omo anko mutimi ye.
Mo ba mbesi sanyoma.
Na obi
mo mbesi sanyoma.
Kwamina, you know our track record. Ye ne eja $4.2. Omo say incompetent. O de kokodu 15. Eso te ba 12 wa say empekete ni adwa. Na sa. Huh?
Okay, hell.
Yeah, fango, tie me pa fango. The ye ton, ye pencil, a price of gallon. A mo pencil liter.
My pal give you.
What they tie me? Ye pencil, a gallon na ye be 14 Ghana cedis. Oh, pencil a liter. And you're asking me see about the end.
The bush share on my side, yeah.
Sister Sandy net you. This is a sanitary pad and autonomous.
The bush share on my side.
Yes, she shall
on my side. They be at the back.
No, I am telling you the reality.
On the Ghana that all of us.
So if this is the Ghana Kwame Nkrumah Mujaya, and Kasa we do my alone crash.
But said this.
No, this people they are crooks in government. Let me tell you, mind.
Too much. They be too much. Who point up so make you make the point because
point.
Oh, essence will be catch us. Your Ghana President Kufuor $1 no $2. We are building on a certain Ghana,
but you build in a positive manner.
Point.
Yes. So what they are doing, so, is it positive or negative?
So how now identify how?
What's your name?
You identify a weakness in an administration. Point that weakness. No. Ni enhwese sa weakness no kra nyina ni enko brane ni enko ntia sa weakness.
My menu penny no. Ene ma mabobo so nyina de na enye no.
Ye ma pay
inflation enye no.
Manimrem
depreciation enye no.
Manimrem
debt structure enye no.
Manimrem
ene wiase nyina Ghana na aduane bo eden.
Aduane wo.
Ina say abu. Oh falco. Hey, me no na Dominic na tiase. O man Mitchell.
We Joso.
I say. Eric.
Baby,
propaganda on this simono, na MPP for Abomodeng ayomo national elections try even way ahead and sana NDC for be ye omo de ye di enim ayenim say ye di enim ayeko ye enim ay select your national leaders as you see I prepare for your flag bearership race no yenim say okone de ye do 2024 Ghana for be hwe ye njuma pa ye na se ye ka say ye hwe track record de ya e de so bi enim Ghana for nim say enya de ebetumi de John Mahama record atoto nia Nanado Dankwa for
Eric OBC wajibre hwe bi na yen concentrate on abbreviations initials TLC ni sa
so wa
me de me abbreviations no me tiase
and our interest
obi interest
so me de aka be
omo no ma chance iti I mean say yen wa ba imu de you need interest in any of the candidates until say delegates it should see but that then again no credit make na
one and we Badwam must wait Badwam must win and I must wait now wait W ni wait
enye win
I mean, Badwam must wait. Okay. Some man.
No, can be biase.
Osi Badwam must wait. Osi BFW Badwam must win.
Hey, wait.
If I wait, ready to go for Eric.
Because I can't force it.
Badwam must win.
Badwam winning na kutomunya den. Because Badwam must wait. Because he's part of the mess now. He's the leader of the economic mess management team. What is he doing?
Are there issues with Badwam?
Me say obi ade me obi kafa ho. BMW. Badwam must wait.
Okay, you
was one messy economy. What is he bringing on?
Anyway, it's to be fair, omo moyo mutino say onim say MPP political party no. A democratic political party. Inti do samre na obia o pese odi o mine so ma di o mine nim etumi de no ho to ono. Inti ngofo no mo aba no. Ye be wish omo the best. Say mrendu do honom na so omo peke omo forms are no my peaceful campaign na yeto abani wi an obedi na enim no munya abom ababe boadipa no ama inkunimdie aye MPP de come 7th of December 2024
you see
ye be butu NDC omo ntumi sorry bi kra now omahene se o hwe omampani Nanado Dankwa Kufuado na wo hwe senya wetumi aton Ghana we asia afa nenya a ehu emfaso aba ema oman mu ɛsɛ Ghana for ye bomb and penny na Adom Danko Kufuado abaso esan say wakɔ United Arab Emirates ɛne ɔmo ye business for edin komo say mo pese mo ye business ɛwɔ Africa mo twa mo ni ɛhwɛ Ghana ɔmo penny ben sa na bɛyɛ sa se ye to aba ma wo na se ye ka se bɛyɛ ɔmo penny a na kyerɛ sɛ wo na wo bɛyɛ Ghana first marketer nti so ɔmo penny na Adom Danko Kufuado eka se mo hwɛ Ghana na se conditions no stable economy o hwɛ Ghana na o hwɛ see wo peace o hwɛ Ghana na o hwɛ say niema ye nyina ekoso after wahanom o hwɛ em say na o twimienu a yekosi ye be ye Africa Prosperity Network for conference I beba so all of those events na eba so no mampeni eto nsa efrɛ business community so mo brama Ghana eba Ghana ebeba ama Ghana fo nya enye PP for pɛ and then NDC for pɛ any other smaller political parties. It is a general norm on a national platform. Near Castle Mampini and so on Tongana. Why be in Tongana? And Yanko from Fee, from Brano Betongana. Inti na very clear on those conversations. And pay send ya one Casamocrata a channel say ye share a buying Jumadia Udi. A year good for oil policy. Any senya ye pese ye de ye gold no ekoko to awana yetuminya oil senya be ya ye fango ebeko fom we ase afa na global economies no de be esa buying and thinking outside of the box and no na ya buying president Adom Danko Kufuado odi to me as the vice president mu Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say ombo modern na mo hwe nkomodie no first stone scrap babedu na wotwe yes ye receive stock economy inti yedi say jumadie bebre aban any president Adom Danko Kufuado AD ebeko ye pa ye share debt exchange program ya aban abomodin I extended individual bond holders no and pay me no ka say on Mampeni Adom Danko Kufuado seni minister for finance honorable Keno Friata and the forum for individual bond holders forum no Asia now mo ye nkomo a church ni memuase ye gidi say senior ye with organized labor na me America government delegation and negotiation team no over the period that you to me increase his salary to about 30%. The then NDC government even at the time and economy in 2011 increasing it by 20%. Inti o hwe o Mampeni senior drink Ghana for ho Ghana for adwumayɛ for ni niema you cannot neglect his support and love for the Ghanaian people. Also, in recent times, Dr. Cries was snit, increasing pensioners with pensions to 25%. Very, very astronomical and very significant. The highest pensioner, the bottom siko close to the tune of about 169,000 Ghana cedis. Bosumi, Inti clearly to me discredited in Yema abaying a to me alleviate the plight of the Ghanaian people. I feel now na CHASS ye bon paye se Onyankopon beboa ama buying initiadi hu to me abaso ama Ghana fo nya in the
But Perry, what kind of system can we put in place that these occurrences they be that CHASS for issue debris aduanini ho ayesi aduanini ho ayesi aduanini ho aduani bono structures. I think there should be a solution to this challenge from Brano a bar be disrupt the calendar and also be back and forth conversations at what point and you real permanent solutions to some of these issues are sometimes it's very petty issues that should be solved once and for all, but it keeps popping up. It is in
oh my addition the pa na overshare nutina a buying initiative who you set a buffer stock. The entire buffer stock ever honum.
Eric. Okay, buffer stock on what done whoever trying to strive any form.
I buy the buffer stock over 400 million Ghana cedis. Intina me kohen anymore.
Eric, we bow on Mpensenpensemu.
Yes, I a solution to problems Libya. Now identify a buffer stock.
Buffer stock is a solution.
The buffer stock, they say a beer.
Say a part of government problem because I buy the Omoka 400 million actually. And I own
So how can I say I buy 200?
Oh, I know your casa and Utiaka, Kaija can wait.
I buy age my baby. Eric mischief now on so. I no pay and up to now the mischief no bosso sa.
Powder trust.
It to be fair, Osha issues where a idea and who hear my buying. Buying a day ni atu ho ye pa. Senior kind, you know, CHASS issues and aba or a honor no say drainage shortage in the mano. Buffer stock share home senior beya these issues, you know, it will be alleviated by and large. But clearly, no, so him say food the planting for food and jobs at Darumite. And him say a dranebu ewo my Ghana phone yani. Say Janibu, no, I can't share Eric.
I said, you have a good or what's a good
Eric, I may on it.
No, mine, no, it's in there, master.
Eric and Janibu, but Janibu,
I said, the border, Ebua, but the border,
beginning,
that's all my Ebua man.
No, we have to be honest.
And we very honest.
We attribute that to government policy under the leadership of this Dr. Ushe Friyakutu. I don't think they'll be taken out of that success.
Janiebu, very, very significantly. Into similar Eric Jaisa. Osrama Masrami, I show for Casadi. Yes, significantly, Chance Assemi, Yadi Nibetichi. Ama Inyama atoye ama sukuu no senebeya obi a ho betono.
Eric, I'm sure we bet me Edin Komo afa and I'm to aban to an abe who ye on this debt restructuring matter. Na ya hwe kwan be fa so a e bet me so to aban fo. Na I am hihye na abeto ho no. Aban hu afutu na enso hu suade wo ma ye kwa ni e bet me akyekyere kuro. Besi di san komo we yie efisi ye ni yie a ana nsusu so bere biara da na e de eno adame titi nkofo bi na obi ka se a mempe yakufo ade we de wadara ma mesrew se de mesia bere pa bo branam de sika akosi kakra no emfa wafefa no embefa makache ema emenya nsusu so enye papa omso aban kire mo de abare se na de sika no ebi no nti mesre fund managers mo so mo de sika ko si mo de sika toto aban enu man say kamo mo fem me kakra biri tia wa bim na metimi ahanha ma ho kakra na akire masa betua ne kakra e de amamo sa nkomo we de afutu na de be ma ba because ayete said de omamu no nyina na ye say there be ade men kofa ha
yeah ama me das paper ya chronicle ama then actually
yeah, Kasiana. Sino Hydro abandoned projects over IMF deal. Lays off 304 workers on Tardy flyover after paying them 3 months' salary.
Tardy. Sino Hydro staff no more senior. Omo no more belling top kind so so. And none na me can show CHASS. Baby ye drew as o man. And a sad reality. Everyone is aware. But see, I can't say a question, baby. If we need a bit drew her, any solution said they will come. But I think, say, I'm a woman. I dear back on buying bit in your Nam a dear butter, more bakakra. I was a buying bathroom. Tea nipa. I was a mobile to so in their first 4 years. The narrative was. Ura Mahama Segan ya metoshe nenye they spoke a lot and Chebia no one started blame the common COVID-19 and no more can COVID the later and no more say Russia no Ukraine for and no more san kobo bosen o and they blame no common by another sad reality ne say baby o minor do no because of aban we reckless borrowing and no ya na can want to say and a dear could. My menno Casas is Ghana, a car a day as a minor. I drew 500 billion If you Kwame Nkrumah pencil be nyina Kwame Nkrumah Afrifa Kutuka Achampon Buzia Urekufa Papa Kraso be head of state 1 year ono kra omu nyina ka Okikamboma Rollins Kofo Ramahama Mills say nipa doma mabwe ko nipa be du ni akire no mo kai 120 billion but ura large ba wumi anko ani na na do betina konwa so a e ka be ka Ghana ka ho efititi na America na I multiplied than 3 times eno na the problem ni nyina ba no because of my oye papa na wo fie na oje besia bi a wo je na wo so hu se obitua ena akamfo bu bebi so se abusia pade echirika sa wo bobosia na wo de ya de pa abusia nkasa wo ba ho e ba ya wo bobosia de we kalomo na wo na VC10 na de bi chata we mu shen na wo na ma wo akonwa the V8 ba kun bodyguard front e ho mo ba
de bi so my Ghana boy bre twem ho nsi wo so
oh enti wo ye san
so we I know a full statement menya half statement na bosia ni bi so Ghana abo de abo no bra from the Santina and so ehun emfaso eyino nsihu no na enyini kama na affect na eko na build it up na ka ho anti don't edit those conversations
anti Ghana ka 120 billion na na ede no
na ehun aba na ewo no
ehun nsihu ne chan besia na omabo
na ewo na Ghana gusu besia
obi aba otuaka ye ba ya ye kon eno nti na create sinking fund Uru akofo euro bond okoje $750 million na maturity na time yaso ye creative photo de sikatum
obi aba oshia covid
and am no man o person tie fo ni chia no fe obi enya covid
no but the dynamics have changed se menim se pelgi unu be adwa de see no ada na nya ne na see ene o nti nyoma bebere asesa wa amamum ni yesi kasa
but you see when we politicians are we politicians are campaigning yeah, the better alternative energy to me.
Yes.
So we don't come to worsen the life of the people and justify.
Not as a deliberate.
But effort. This is deliberate
on the part of this administration.
Now, Bobosia di wachi acheke ne de akeka ho. Unim de ntia ye kan we. Oma hene, obi anka se besia genye. Omo ne touting in opposition say ye de ne na ye reckless borrowing. Omo ba na omo dane brofo ne so omo de ne smart borrowing. And the question na mebuza ne say, oma besia ben ye gia ye ntua besia bia ya besia edise obi abo besia no de ya atoabo gas project and the project is paying itself eti wo de na obo ye ne de na wo de ya ebetua ne ho ka eno na ye questions aye busa wo ene de me ne wo ka wo say the opese wo kan min kan fine esie wie debt restructuring aba de na ye be ya ma asundwa in the system ade ba ko aban we yaka o se onfie oman enye ankran sika na wo so de wani koso enye banks investment oman na wo so de wani koso oba within your first 4 years we ministers aso for 125 ya wanti na China population yes China ministers then no more number 17 China ya kan mampenisi adwuma no so apafo no so ntie ma ne dodo 1 minister ho ka within a month it misses school dying. 1 minister hoka within a month. It misses 3 unit classroom block. We 125. Presidential staffers, oko presidential, they over 1,000. You can same way na run a poor education ministry. Most of them free SHS. Ni asan akwati free SHS secretariat. What are they doing? Regions ni na secretariat wo baby o. What are they coordinating different from Ministry of Education? And we recruited nipa de omakugu ho na yetu omokakwa go to Senate deputy directors ye ho na omo yetu and mo create 4 account obi ene na katua ye below 30,000
it will 6
go and check go to national service so deputy directorship position mo create de egu amankofo and look at the salaries these people are taking oh my and no na dissipate the public purse so sanye ma na omo ye no ye wo Alan ministry trade meboa in charge of industrialization near creating ministry for special
initiative
development can one say then no under one day so one factory na ye dini na kogu like why
this are creations in a
time no more bomb man na kan wan sika ministry so was upset what be that and they did all these things we spoke about them they never listened
ya so den
ya mampeni ni na so afo no maso den ye nyina ubu o man me kan wo kan wo ya appointee e na oba no so ye smart ba President Kufuor is smart o nsɛmtwerɛfo a ɛtɔ da mo am bɛka bia ma ne kakra na ɔtwe bi mu yɛ ɔmo appointees o ya nyɛ board member ya yɛ spokesperson o de me ba o de tie me ba
mo ba mu yɛ nsɛmtwerɛfo
na o post o reject o de ana o je
mo ba mu yɛ nsɛmtwerɛfo
o de tie me ba ya ba mu nsɛmtwerɛfo na ɔmo san anɔpa ɔmo te morning shows na ɔmo te good evening Ghana so we have all these people a ɔmo say yɛ damage control ma ban nti yɛ ka sese no enyinu ju ana ɔmo yɛ task screen analysis nti mampanite kafo bekumi mu ana nani agye o say mambo no koyi ɛho ne yadru no ene society asofo a ɛwɔ so mo nso yɛgye omudi omo no betum a ya creative board na ɛde omo nyina kogu so nti wo koka sa we board member aban no foma wafom bi ne yɛde mu nyina hyem so the problem ne de baby edu na ya akoma ya kan say kasa ayede ene dev restructuring kwabna santia bra ene multimedia assistant shebre no sika kakra onya ya de akoto government bond because we see so usua ngoma de onim ne say ope baby a eye secure da eye aban adwuma mu na we say we de usika hye because aban sesa na aban kokra na still sika wa aban ho ene under President Kufuor eye more important to invest in a Ponzi scheme than his government. Yes.
Don't encourage that.
Because
let
me justify.
No matter what you say, there's absolutely no justification.
Let me tell you this. What the waka? Fine. Men's good as a man. Men's good as a man. Obi invest in men's gold a wonya ni sika nyina ne ho ankodim enti say nipa no no ka kire ne say investing in men's gold then any investing in under you can say in President Kufuor's government there hin na Ponzi scheme at the end of
okay so you ma pilgrim
and those are the issues so pilgrim okwa yin so oban abusua no so ka ho bi ka kire mo say okay oban aban abusua no okwa ka kire mo say ye tu o mo fo
inwie mai but there is hope, Paul. There is hope.
There is a lot of hope. Right? On my main can sense. Who say you may research kakra so na ama mind bebre. Ohono ma kagana. That day so where we go. So
you see the year also research.
Make some na my tie fuetia no the mischief bombing or bombing gala. Ama mind bebre. Ohono ma omo yeah debt restructuring. Sesia you so mo chrono stabilizing baby I don't know me wo krata ma hwehwehwe Mozambique, Argentina, Ukraine, Greece, Uruguay, Russia and Iraq you kokoko to me a debt restructuring yes and say no more challenges kakra it to me sesia no more
Africa country
omo chrono stabilize so kasa mankasa so person hekel me na a very very difficult time for buying. To be fair, now in the state of difficulty, no, buying Mpensenpensemu memufono in isolation. In Tusha, you start here domestic debt exchange, any domestic bonds. You can say 2023 will be any hono map will be coupon. They say 2%. And yasan so I can say it's tradable. Into say who mine who bond. Na ebi apeso de ma Eric betumi ato wo de no na odi usika ma nti yama fluids be abemu within that space but over the next few years the percentages be to 10% interest 15% principal up to about 2033 yegidi say at that time so next year training yan say your debt to GDP na say back close to about 50% na sustainable na obia ho to be tono iti say na mekan no aban any individual bond forum no Asia and that no pay CHASS with organized labor for na otrimu AD pensions for home common in nema iti ebebo modern make sure say answer na deadline no ebeso no na individual bonds no yetumi are reach on some consensus and agreement send ebe ya ye mind no ne economy no ebetumi akọ n'anim ye situation ya be there Kro be close to about 100 countries last year. I called near IMF for Indian Como Washington. I be na go through IMF program. Our CHASS here. Inti yebo modern say Ghana for mohwe oman no dam wo oman no. Na yinya ye bending share because aban kra it take huge chunk of the bending share responsibility with expenditure cut. So okay to also at I could see also 30% buying expenditure, major expenditure, MMDs at so by 30%. Establishment of state-owned enterprises, and so you cancel fuel allowance 50%. Sika ye tete sunya from last year April. EBC afinewe and about 50 million. Omampeni na do dan kweku fuado ekasa in October. State of the economy assigned to expenditure cuts to 2023. Inti ushe a buying own resolve and revolve to see say on mine be stabilizing. Very very strong. Okay. Inti ebe share Ghana for Eric ne the political party. Mumbo modena munya mumbe ka hona yentumi nye jumana ye de share Ghana for.
Okay. Competence betimi amamu adwene.
Sister P one of the finest caterers in Ghana by Cape Coast. Yakasa the late Thomas Kobno Usu. Kaneno no a retired direct no or Juma or finance or a director of finance Ghana Export Promotion Authority Kaneno was retired and owner whom Jim Radiato Saffron Thomas Kobna Usu late. This is the Pew Papa. He said 20th of January Friday we are private a year week na fe memendano na mafi yakopen the crab ya kamakama na ofu somno so dia mano e nebe call ebeka kudi say the Page Event Center was Sakaman Dansuman yeah ne ko Achimota Cemetery timon shene so na monko tai ebusu chi kwasi ada no e ko na ase aso God's Church of Peace da kuman 9 a.m. na fe ebusu asa atnase ewo Dansuman Rest Keep Fit Club down onoma black and white shene so more or less a celebration of life. Sister P, you know, Obusu no na mamu yako bra mo papa mo nana mo ofa mo de share the late Thomas Kwabna Usu everyone. Edbesia medical you was chase say enkotai area community echi do for Santa Baron ne maame Chumwa ne nua panyin Professor Edu on everyone ti sajima ase ana won betina ase. Onyame de chair ibeshia china na biribi adam catch us also no pa you need to pray for Ghana and be a proud Ghanaian and exhibit the qualities of patriotism, love for your country, honesty and truthfulness. This is a year unite me dwene ko fa ko near the fata Ghana be free this stage akọ the next stage amana bo bia ti ko so hwe bedwam on Adom TV multi TV so yeko